In today's video, we are going to break down the under 4 strategy in Deriv using analysis tools, okay? Now listen carefully. This is a high risk, high reward strategy, and if you don't follow the rules strictly, you can lose very fast, okay? But if you understand it properly, it can be very powerful and consistent. So let us go step by step, okay? As we start out, welcome all of you. Let us go directly into it, okay? Now before we begin, remember this. Analysis tools are only for confirmation only, okay? Only for confirmation. Always execute your trades on the official Deriv.com platform, okay? Never rely on third-party tools, third-party websites to place your trades. All right, so step one, how do we go about this? Okay, remember the risk is high, so we have to become very strict with the strategies we are going to use. Okay, so step one is identify an absolute under market. Now what do I mean? Ensure the green circle is on 0 and the red circle is on 9. All right, that is the first thing. Again, ensure 0 has a percentage of more than 12% or higher. All right, and the 9 has a percentage of below 9% or even more lower. Okay, basically 0, the minimum percentage 0 should have is 12%, and the minimum percentage 9 should have is 8.5. The minimum percentage 9 should have, the maximum, is 9%. Okay, this is basically to ensure that this market is an absolute under market. Okay, the green circle on 0, the red circle on 9. The green circle should be above 12, the red circle should be below 9%. Okay, if these conditions are met, you put a tick. Okay, all right, so the second thing is ensure. Oh, by the way, those are the first two conditions. The first condition, the green circle on 0, the red circle on 9. The second condition, the green circle should be above 12%, the red circle be below 9%. The third condition basically is ensure 1, 2, and 3 are above 10.5%. I repeat, ensure 1, ensure 2, ensure 3 are all above 10.5%. The reason for this, we want these numbers to be as strong as they can, okay? 1, 2, and 3 should be above 10.5%, okay? Basically, we want the market to revolve a lot around the numbers below 4, okay? The other thing is, the other condition is basically ensure 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, ensure those numbers are below 10.5. Basically, we do not want the market to put its focus or energy around these numbers, because if the market lands on any number, on any digit above 4, you can see how that can be bad for us. So that is why we basically want these numbers to be basically as weak as they can. In fact, the lower they are, the better, but ensure they do not cross the 10.5% mark. Okay, so please don't be confused by that. As I've said, let me repeat quickly. The first condition, the green circle on 0, the red circle on 9. The second condition, the green circle should be above 12%, the red circle should be below 9%. The third condition, ensure 1, 2, and 3 are above 10.5%. The fourth condition, ensure 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are below 10.5%. Once you see that, now things are good, and the analysis tool, you have finished everything about the digit circles, okay? So I'll be starting with the manual side, all right? The manual side, basically what is your entry point if you're trading manually? Now, if you're trading under 4 manually, all right, you do this. This is your entry, all right? You see you have a ticker that is moving from number to number. So basically you wait for this ticker, all right? You wait for this ticker to touch 3 numbers above 4, and then immediately it lands on 8, press under. Example, if the ticker goes to 5, 6, 7, and then 8, under. If the ticker goes to 9, 6, and then 5, and then 8, under. But before the ticker lands on 8, ensure it has landed on 3 other numbers. Basically, 8 is the entry point, but before the ticker lands on 8, it should land on 3 other numbers before it goes to 8. All right, and then immediately it goes to 8, you press under immediately. Again, if you delay, you wait for another setup. Okay, you wait for another setup. Never force. If you force a trade, you'll end up paying for it dearly. So take your time. Do not force any trade. Okay, don't force any trade. All right. Yeah. Once you see the Chica basically has gone to 5, 6, 7, 8, and if you miss that, you wait for another setup and you do it, okay? But that is basically how you do it manually. For under 4, actually, you can trade manually or with a bot. Both are very okay. Both are very fine, all right? You do not have to stick to bots only like over 1 or under 8. Here, you can do it. You can do a hybrid method, okay? So sometimes you're doing it manually, sometimes you're doing it with a bot, okay? So don't forget about that. Now, so that is basically everything about manual. Now, what about for those who want to use the digit analysis tool basically, and they have bots? This is what you do. First of all, you come down here, you scroll a bit, you come and select 4. Once you select 4, you can see we have these 2 percentages, the over and the under, all right? Ensure the under percentage, first of all, is stronger than the over percentage, all right? That is necessary, that is a must. Ensure the under percentage is stronger than the over, then ensure the under percentage is above 50.3%, okay? The under percentage should be above 50.3%. Again, that is something you should note, all right? Now, what basically tells you it is the right time to trade? This is what tells you, what basically tells you to run your bot. You see, from the time you found that percentage, ensure it increases by 0.2%. What do I mean? If, for example, you scroll down below and you see it is 50.6, you see from the time you found it, ensure it has increased by more than 0.2%. So, example, if you found it at 50.6% and it goes to 50.7 and then 50.8 and then 50.9, run your bot immediately. Okay, if it indicates an increase of more than 0.2%, run your bot immediately, because that basically gives you a confirmation to run your bot. I hope I'm not confusing anyone. You wait for that percentage to increase by more than 0.2 and you run. But again, you have to ensure it is stronger than the over percentage. And again, you have to ensure it is more than 50.3%. Once you see that, you run your bot. All right. Now, these percentages here, the analysis tool percentage, basically tells you when to run, all right? But what tells you to keep running is these digits circles here, okay? So as you're running your bot, I want you to be analyzing these digits. In case you notice something unfavorable is happening, please ensure you stop your bot, you wait for the market to become balanced again or to become proper again, and you continue. If it does not, you change to another volatility, okay? Again, never ever force a trade. Don't force a trade, all right? Yeah, so as you're running a bot, I want you to be very keen at observing the percentages. If you see, let's say 0 has decreased to 11.4 or 9 is increasing to 10, you stop that bot immediately, okay? Yeah, basically, so don't forget that the over-under analysis down here tells you when to run. This digit circles up here tells you for how long or should you stop when you're running, okay? And again, the site I'm using is called dbtraders.com. I'll be putting the link in the description. It's not my website, okay? It is a website that I actually use because of its simplicity. You are free to use any third-party website of your choice, but always remember to only execute your trade on the official Deriv.com platform, okay? And again, I've put the link in the description. If you have not created a Deriv account, please ensure you create an account using that link down below, and I'll be able to give you a bot as an appreciation, okay? Yeah, because it's a huge step, okay? And again, if you have not opened a DMT5 account, if you have not opened it, please ensure you open it. And for your first deposit or for your first transfer in that account, you will be getting a 20% margin bonus, basically to make better trades or increase your positions in the market. All right, I will also put that link in the description, okay? If you have any questions about this, please let me know. I'll be able to answer you, and I'll be able to guide you and basically clarify it. Please ensure you comment down below, and I'll be able to basically guide you, okay? And for those who need bots, okay, instead of accessing third-party websites, instead of accessing which tools to get bots, I'll be able to give you more than 100 bots, more than 100 documents containing various strategies, plus you get also to be part of other traders. You'll be able to get all this, and these bots will be yours, so you'll not need anybody's permission to trade. You'll not no one will cut no one will basically get a small commission from your trades. This will be a bot. You can keep them in your USB, your files, anywhere, okay? Yeah, I usually give this at 20 USD. So if you're interested, again, please ensure WhatsApp me. I'll be able to guide you on that, okay? Apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching. Please ensure you share and subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. And again, if you have any question, please ensure you comment down below, or you can WhatsApp us in our WhatsApp number in the description. Apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching. Keep on trading, keep on pushing, and let us meet in the next one. Cheers.